We're gonna learn how to install the wheel kit on the Vortex light. And the reason this one has like little indented holes in there because some people don't want the wheel kit. So if you don't install the wheel kit, then you just leave this so it doesn't look too bad otherwise. But if you're installing the wheel kit, you're gonna need a drill.
All right, you're gonna need 7/16 sockets, 2. Drill bit, you're gonna need a 17/64 drill bit size. Right here, and drill it into the 2 indents you see here. Smaller washer goes onto the bolt. Bolt goes in here. And up here. See the bolt on that side. First put the rubber washer in. Then put the aluminum one. And then the nut. Alright, same thing for the other one. You put the rod on the side. I got it.